Hello everyone. Welcome to this new video on bold reports. Often, the context of reports is difficult to understand without row headers repeated on subsequent pages. This can lead to a loss of context and reference, making it hard to interpret and compare data accurately as one needs to constantly flip back to the previous pages to see the row headers. Repeating row headers on multiple pages is a simple and effective technique that can significantly enhance readability and maintain context across multiple pages. In this video, I will show you how to use the Bold Reports Designer to repeat row headers on multiple pages in an RDL report. This process enhances readability and streamlines data analysis, allowing for more accurate and efficient evaluation. This technique works for both web and desktop report designers, but I will use the web report designer from the report server for this demo. Let's get started. First, I'll create a new report in the report server and name it Repeat Row Headers Report. Next, I need to create a dataset to use the necessary data values in the report. I create a data source using the AdventureWorks database in SQL Server and name it AdventureWorks. Since I already have the database details as a connection string, I use the advanced option to enable it. Next, I use none as the authentication type since the connection string already has credentials. This button connects to the data source and launches the query designer. I name the dataset Sales Dataset and switch to code mode because I already have the SQL query. I enter the query and click Run to see the values retrieved from the database and displayed in the preview area. Then, click Finish to create a dataset. Before adding the matrix, let me add a header. I enable the header area. Add a rectangle that acts as a container for the text. And resize it. Change the background color to enhance the look and feel. To add the header text, I add a text box inside the rectangle and label it Company Sales. Next, I format the text by changing the font, color, size, weight, and vertical alignment. If there is extra space around the text, resize the text box and rectangle to adjust it. Now, the header has been added. Next, I add a matrix report item to the designer surface and assign data to it. Add the product category to the row group cell. Once the values are assigned, the row group value changes to product category in the row group section. Similarly, assign the order year value to the column group cell. And the column group value changes to order year. To add a child group, expand the group menu in the product category group field. Add a child group. Select the subcategory in the group by field. And save it. This shows detailed data within each main group. See, the child group is added. Next, I add a child column group. In the column group pane, I expand the group menu in the order year group field. Add a child column group to show detailed information for each main column group. Next, add order quarter as a child column group. And save it. Then, I add the sum of the sales expression to the value cell. Since the currency value must be displayed in the currency format, I select the sum sales value cell. And change the format to currency with 2 decimal points. Once the values are assigned to the matrix, I apply some basic formatting to enhance its appearance. I select the header row and change the font family, weight, text alignment, vertical alignment, background color, and color. In the same way, I format the value row's font family, text alignment, and vertical alignment, background color, and color. Then, I select the 4 matrix cells and choose None as the border style. Next, let me show you how to display row headers on multiple pages. I select the matrix report item and open the Properties panel. Click the header under the Properties panel and enable the Repeat Row checkbox under the Headers category. Now, everything is ready to preview the report. I switch to Preview. Click on the Print layout, and you can see the row headers displayed in every page. In this video, I have shown you how to repeat row headers on multiple pages. The link to a blog containing these steps is in the description below. If you found this video useful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.